Properties of exponents. Division. All right, so the first type of problem we approached was powers of a fraction. Okay, so that's where if I have a fraction like a over b to the x power, I would multiply by that exponent. So I have a to the x over b to the x. So as an example, if I have 3 over 5 to the third power, I have 3 to the what power?
None.
The third. And 5 to the what power? The third. Okay? Now what you have to remember is that these are actual numbers. 3 to the third power is 27. And 5 to the third power is 125. Okay, the next type of problem we have is quotients of powers, meaning division. So let's say I have a to the x power over a to the y power. So they have the same base. What do I do with exponents with the same base? What do I do to those two exponents? Subtract them. So as an example, if I have x to the 10th power over x to the second power, that would be 10 minus 2, which would be 8. Good. All right, so we have negative exponents, finally. Let's say I have y x to the negative n power. Okay, I want to be purposeful in saying that when we have these, when we move from denominator to numerator or numerator to denominator, the sign of the exponent changes. So I have y over x to the n. Okay? The reason I didn't move that is because y has a positive exponent, so it can stay in the numerator. You only need to manipulate the negative exponents. Okay, so as an example, if I have 3 to the negative 2 power, I have to move that to my denominator, so I have 1 over 3 squared. And what's 3 squared going to be? 9. All right, here's another example. Like, let's say I have 3 to the negative 1 power over 4 to the negative 1 power. They're both negative exponents, which means I need to move the 3 to the denominator. And where is that 4 going to end up?
In the numerator.
In the numerator. Okay. Moving between parts of a fraction I'll write parts instead of numerator or denominator because it doesn't matter. Changes the sign of an exponent. And that is your toolkit entry over division of exponents.